Location of incident: the rear parking lot of the Metro Credit Union, 1071 Massachusetts Avenue, Boston, Massachusetts, 02118. Hours of operation: Monday to Wednesday, 8:30 a.m., 5 p.m. Thursday, Friday, 8:30 a.m., 6 p.m. Saturday, 8:30 a.m., 1 p.m. Closed on Sundays. Phone number: 877-696-3876. A public accessible building.
I'll tell you 2 times, back up. If you don't listen, you're gonna be in trouble. Alright? I'm a nice guy. I don't like fuck with you, but don't fuck with me, I'm telling you. I don't give you permit to record my face. You understand that? I'm not a police. I don't work for the government. Okay? You can record the police, but you can't record me, I'm telling you.
I'm just a picture in the frame. Pause, I paint word pictures on the canvas of life.
I'm everywhere in public. This video was recorded with both hands up.
Yo. You understand that, right? All right. Sir, I'm telling you, back up. I don't want to tell you 3 times, back up. Alright? I'll tell you 2 times, back up. If you don't listen, you're gonna be in trouble. Alright? I'm a nice guy. I don't like fuck with you, but don't fuck with me, I'm telling you. I don't give you permit to record my face. You understand that? I'm not a police. I don't work for the government. Okay, you can record the police, but you can't record me. I'm telling you. You understand that? Okay, you don't understand that? All right. Sound good. I'm telling you, buddy. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm telling you, it's time, right? Hey, buddy, back up. I'm fucking telling you, back up. Okay? Don't pretend that you're a fucking idiot. Back up, I'm telling you. I don't play with you. Back up. I'm telling you, back up. I don't play with you. I'm telling you, back up. Hey, stop fucking recording me. I'm telling you, back up. They're coming too close to me. I'm telling you 3 times. Back up and back up and back up. Buddy up. Okay.
So, do you need help with anything? Because he's doing his jobs. So, do you need help with anything? Is there something?
Just your name and badge. Just your name and badge.
Why do you need my name and badge? Like, you cannot keep it. You have to go. Just leave. Do you need to use the ATM? You keep coming too close, and then he's doing his job.
Can I have your name and badge, please?
I'm Officer Lopes, 2263. Are you satisfied now? Just leave the area. You think I came here early, and then you keep going close to him. He's doing his job.
Am I being detained?
You're not being detained. That's what I'm asking. Like, why? Like, you need to leave. Like, he's doing his job. You were too
Under
close.
what law do I need to leave? What law?
Why
do...
you keep going
No, wait a
closer to
minute.
him?
You said I need to leave.
Why you keep going closer?
You're a
I
police
saw you.
officer. So tell me under
Are you
what
trying to
law?
rob him? Is
Tell
that
me
what it
under
is?
what law do I need to leave?
So I came to look for that little girl.
If he can record, do whatever he wants.
No, he can't record, but he was way too close to him.
Okay, well, you
so-
can just leave him alone. Just don't even give him the time of day. I just leave.
Did you hear your supervisor? Don't give me the
Like I
time
said,
of day.
He was here recording, and I said nothing because he was here. But then when I left, he came too close, so he was all the way there.
Make sure
When
you be
I was
careful
going
as well.
back, And I saw him, and I backed up, and then he said like he doesn't feel really safe because he keeps going close and closer to him. And all I asked, I was like, if you all stop, like just don't get too close to him because he's doing his job.
Your supervisor told you don't give me no time of day.
Just do him a favor. When he's doing his job, just don't bother him. I mean, you can
I'm
do
not
whatever
accepting
you
no
want.
directives from you unless they're backed by law, okay? I won't accept any directives from you unless they're backed by law. Is there a problem here? We're good here?
Are you?
You guys are dismissed.
Good, are you sure?
You guys are dismissed. You're the supervisor, right? Your supervisor gave you the directive, right? Time to go.
Oh no, I'm not. Like I said, because he was here, but then when I left, he was always.
I know what law am I breaking because I got closer. I know, but you're a law enforcement officer, so
you
what
make
law?
me feel unsafe.
Excuse me? Yeah, that's his problem.
Okay.
That's his problem. Hey, please don't solicit a trespass, officer. I appreciate if you don't. If they come out and tell me to leave, it's because you solicited that trespass and you open yourself up for civil litigation. So I'm just warning you right now. I'm warning you right now. Do not go in there and solicit a trespass to get these people to get me off the property because I haven't committed a crime. So I'm warning you now. You open yourself up for civil litigation. I dare you. Now I'm telling you, I dare you. Tell me to shut up. You shut up. You shut up. You better reconsider that. I'm telling you right now. What's your name and badge?
5482.
5482. You better do the right thing. How you doing, man? How you doing today? Just a little police accountability in the neighborhood, that's all.
I'm telling you.
What law is that? What law is that? What law is that?
What laws is that? I got money. Don't be close to me.
How much money you got? You just told me you got money. How much money you got? What type of officer you tell a member of the public to shut up? Is that professional?
When I'm trying to talk to you,
Is that professional? So you tell somebody to shut up? You tell a member of the public to shut up?
I don't really think you know anything about professionalism, my friend.
I'm not the one on the job. You are. You are. Learn some professionalism.
Right back at you, my friend.
No child? Thanks.
You guys are dismissed. It's the resistance. Did you leave out the store with the stuff? Nah, you ain't leave out with nothing? And how'd that go? They don't leave the store. Is it technically stolen? Huh? They don't leave the store. Is it technically stolen?
I ain't leave with nothing.
You left with nothing, right?
Nothing at all.
He was still in the store, right?
Yeah.
How y'all locking him up when he left with nothing? How does that happen?
I gave my name and they still taking it. Still taking it.
What's your name and badge, officer? Plain clothes. What's your name and badge?
Detective Ramos, 2316.
Did you witness this man walk out the store with anything? Or did the store witness him walk out the store with anything, sir?
Walk out with nothing.
What's your phone number, bro?
857
Uh-huh.
258. I got my girl right there, man.
Where?
With the carriage, bro.
Where? Yes, we're going to exchange
With the
numbers.
carriage right there,
We're going
man.
to exchange numbers, sir. Sir, uniform officer, may I have your name and badge?
1 second, sir.
Where y'all taking him to? His wife is over there. He wants to know.
You go to B2. District B2.
Hey, officer, did that guy come out the store with any products?
Say what now?
Did he come out the store with any products?
Are you talking about what just happened?
Yeah.
It's an open investigation. I can't talk to you about that.
Really?
So,
yeah, because if he didn't leave out the store with any products, he
Yeah.
really couldn't be arrested. What's your name and badge?
My name's Kevin Plunkett. I'm a detective. Badge is 5083. So,
No, it's if that was the investigation, you might be right, but there might be something else at play.
All right.
car.
I don't know, but listen, sir, have a good day. All right, appreciate
Kevin,
you.
Can you tell me what happened? You know what happened?
What's y'all, ma'am?
He said he didn't leave out the store
With nothing, right?
He left out the store with nothing.
Nothing.
He left out the store with nothing. So
You recording this?
yes,
Thank you.
yes.
Thank
Give me
you.
your number when you're done.
Okay. Okay.
He's not under arrest for shoplifting. So,
So what is he on the right for?
Can't you tell her?
no, again.
That's his wife asking.
What's his name?
Raymond Harris.
Raymond Harris.
Yes.
He told me his name was something else, so I don't know if that's
Oh, so that's why?
He'll be down
You
2400
serious?
Washington Street. Yeah, come on down. You'll be all right. He'll get bail. Okay? Easy day. Can I have you step over? Because, like, we don't want you to get hit. Yeah.
Wow.
People are
Back, come on, babe. Come on this way.
all right.
He's not arrested for shit.
I'm gonna go.
Look, give me.
Are you
Look, we're gonna
serious?
exchange numbers. We're gonna find
Thank
out what
you.
these charges are.
Thank you.
Because
He didn't even leave with nothing.
Listen, guys, have a good day. Thank
Wow.
yeah, you know. Listen, y'all guys are terrible out here, man.
I'm sorry?
Y'all terrible out here. You know, come on, we know.
How do you figure?
If it's not shoplifting, then what is it? Y'all gonna switch? You gonna switch the narrative to something else? Yo, bro, you wrong, man. You wrong, bro. Seriously, what you riding in today? What you driving in? Huh?
Cruiser.
Where you at?
Right there. You want to take a picture of the cruiser?
Of course, I take pictures of all the stuff.
Go ahead, man. You more than free to, man.
I just want to know what you riding in.
Right there. The cruiser.
So why you can't? He didn't steal anything?
I wasn't there for that.
What was you there for? Can you let me know what you was there for?
Ongoing investigation.
You
want to follow me to stop us?
I want to ask you how you feel about locking your own people up in the neighborhood. How do you feel about that every day, locking your own people up in the neighborhood? How does that feel to you
I don't like
as a
people.
black man?
I help him out.
How you just help that man out? Come on, man. Sad, brother. It's sad. I'm just a black man with cameras.